In today's session, we'll discuss about AWS account creation. See, in our course, we are not going to install any softwares in our local machine. Everything we do in AWS cloud. So for that, first of all, we need to create AWS account. This account creation is very simple. It takes hardly 5 minutes only to create the account. Let us see. First of all, go to this portal, aws.amazon.com. You can find a button here on the top right side, create an AWS account. Once you click on this create an AWS account button, it will redirect you to this particular sign up page. Here you need to enter your root user email address. You will be having your personal Gmail ID, right? Like your name at the rate gmail.com, personal Gmail ID. So enter your email ID. AWS account name means you need to give your name, your first name, last name, or only your first name, or only last name, anything like your nickname, whatever. Like you need to give one account name. Then click on verify email address. This is just to verify whether this email ID belongs to you or not. Once you click on verify email address, they will send one verification code to your email. So log into your Gmail, whatever you have registered, copy that OTP. If you go to inbox, you can see that mail in recently. Like, copy that OTP and send paste it here in the verification code. Once you click on verify button, your email ID will be verified. Once your email ID is verified, in the next page, you need to set up your password. Root user password and confirm root user password. So this password should contain at least one capital letter, small letters, numbers, special characters, minimum 8 letters it should be. The password length must be 8 letters. It should contain everything, capital letter, small letter, special characters, and numbers. Then click on continue button. In this page, it is asking, how do you want to use this AWS account? So do you want to use this AWS account for office purpose, means for your project, or you want to use this account for personal purpose to learn AWS? So this is for personal practice, right? So select personal for your own projects. Who should we contact about this account? So provide your details like your full name, your phone number, like where do you stay, your country, address, city, everything. Then click on continue. In the next page, it is asking for you to enter credit card or debit card details. So this card must be either Visa card, MasterCard, American Express card, and recently they have introduced a RuPay card also. So other than these four cards, you cannot use any other cards. Only these four cards are accepted. You can use either credit or debit card, your wish, but cards must be belonging to Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or RuPay card. And one more thing, when entering these card details, make sure your card is enabled for international transactions and domestic transactions. If you don't know like how to make the settings, go to your net banking or mobile app. There you can enable online transactions for international, because here you need to enter your complete card details like expiry date, month, year, card holder name, whatever the name present on the card, CVV number, and you need to choose your billing address. Once you click on verify and continue button, they'll send one OTP to check whether this card belonging to you or not. So they'll deduct 2 rupees from the card just to verify whether this card is belonging to you or not. And within 24 hours, they'll credit back this 2 rupees to your account. This is only for verification. This is not like charges from AWS, only for verification. Once you enter OTP, 2 rupees will be deducted immediately, and it says like the card belonging to you only. Then Once you click on submit, next, you need to confirm your identity. Select whatever name. See here, it is showing me Aravind Trainings. Why? Because I have given this name in the first page. AWS account name I have given as Aravind Trainings. So it is showing like this. And primary purpose of account registration. If you click on that drop down, you will be seeing multiple options, but choose personal use option. And ownership type also, you'll choose multiple options. You choose select individual, because this account is for your personal purpose to learn AWS and DevOps. And this is your account, not some business purpose account, and like multiple people won't use this account, only you will use this account, right? So ownership type is individual. And you need to provide any documentation for proof, like select PAN card and enter your PAN card number, select the checkbox and next. Here, to confirm the identity of your phone number, you need to enter your phone number, select either text message or voice call, so that they will send you one verification. If it is text message, they'll send OTP. If it is voice call, you will receive one call from AWS instantly, one automated call. It says, if you want to register your AWS account, press 1. If not, press 2. Like that, you will receive an automated call. So better choose text message, enter country code, mobile number, security check, and click on send SMS. Then you will receive one SMS with an OTP. And finally, choose the support plan. What type of plan you need for your AWS account? Is it basic support or developer support or business support? First one is basic support. It is absolutely free. They will provide some basic support from AWS. If you need developer support, you need to pay every month $29. If you need business support, you need to pay every month $100. But for us, basic support is sufficient, because this is a free tier account, just for personal purpose. So basic support is fine. In real time, in companies, there we choose developer support, business support also. And finally, click on complete sign up. See, this basic support is for uh, getting any help. See, if you have any issues with your AWS account, if you have any non-technical issues, you want to talk to customer support, yes, you can talk, because you are getting basic support for free. If you have any questions related to technically, you cannot ask them for technical support, because for that you need to pay $29 per month. Okay, that's why here better choose basic support free of cost and click on complete sign up. That's it. Your account was created. It says congratulations, account is created. Now go to the AWS management console, click on that button and enter your email ID, next password. This is the login page. Any doubts in AWS account creation?
Not sir.
No, sir.
So today, by end of the day, everyone create your AWS accounts, because whatever we do here, like we learn many services in AWS, we practice many DevOps tools. Everything we do in AWS account only. We are not going to install any softwares in our local machine. We will not download anything. Everything we do in AWS account. So if you don't have AWS account, you cannot practice. So this is the first priority. Everyone has to create AWS account. If people facing any issues while creating AWS account, go through the recorded video once again for clarification. It is very simple process, hardly 5 to 10 minutes. Keep your card ready with you. And once your account is created, that Gmail ID, whatever the registered Gmail ID is there, right? You cannot use that email ID for another AWS account creation, because it says already this email ID is used with AWS. Okay. Right. Whatever the account we are creating, this is absolutely free tier account. 12 months free. 12 months free means up to 12 months, uh, they will give free services for some period of time. Let me show you AWS free tier account. So free cloud computing services, 12 months free, this one. So this account we are created now. In AWS, we have plenty of services. For example, EC2 service. They're giving this EC2 service free means not for lifetime. They're giving 750 hours per month. Like this, they're giving for 12 months free. Storage 5 GB per month they are giving for free of cost. Like this, how many months they will give? 12 months they will give. Like RDS, database service also 750 hours per month of database usage. Every month means up to 12 months only they'll give for free. If you exceed this, then they'll start generating the bills. So for example, this in the month of October, I have used this service around 850 hours. Means up to 750 it is free of cost. Additional 100 hours, they will generate the bill. Not for complete 850, they'll generate the bill. First 750 it is free. Next 100 hours, they'll generate the bills. Even for storage also. If you're using 15 GB, first 5 GB is free. Next 10 GB, you need to pay the money. You need to pay means like they will generate the bills. So for each and every service, you will have some restrictions in this free tier account. But even though they're generating the bills, you no need to worry. You no need to pay also. What they will do hardly, they will send you the invoice. Aravind, please pay the bills. If you don't pay the bills, they'll restrict your account. For example, I'll show you. Recently, I got this. So, greetings from Amazon Web Services, November 2nd, 6 days ago. So, a new billing invoice for account ending is now available in your billing and cost management console. Your total amount is Indian rupees 165. So I got a bill of 165 rupees for the previous month, like that. Every month they'll generate the bills. See, I am not going to pay all these bills. See, for this month of September also, they have sent one email here. For September month, I got 557.56 rupees. They'll say, we have not received any payment. Just I'll ignore all this. I'm not going to pay anything. Here also, yeah, same thing, right? For the month of August, we have not received payment for the August month, 542 rupees. So they'll see for 3-4 months. If you're not paying the bills, they'll suspend your AWS account. If you want to remove from the suspension, you need to pay the money. Otherwise, create one new AWS account. So I usually use every account for 3-4 months, because after 3-4 months, if you don't pay, they'll suspend. If they're suspending, again I'll create new AWS account for free of cost again. I'll create a new Gmail ID, and then with that email ID, I'll create a new AWS account again with free of cost. Understood? We have given unmute option. If you have any questions, you can ask. This is the portal to log into AWS account. aws.amazon.com. Here is the sign in button. Sign into the console. Sign in using root user email. Enter your email address. So this is my email address. Enter. Next, it is asking for password. Then sign in. That's it. I have logged into my AWS account. My account name, Aravind Trainings, account ID 9855397113371397. Here it will show my account details. To sign out from the account, here is the button. And to see the billing related things, in this page, we can see all billing related things. This is region. Amazon company having data centers in 34 regions. No, by default, when I logged into account, I am in Tokyo region. So whatever the console you are seeing, this console belongs to Tokyo. Means if I create a storage, that will be created in Tokyo. If I create a database will be created in Tokyo. Means whatever the infrastructure I manage, everything will be created or managed in Tokyo only. But you have a requirement to create some infrastructure in Mumbai region. Then you need to change the region to Mumbai. Switch to Mumbai. So I'm in Mumbai region. No, whatever I do here in the console, everything will be reflected in Mumbai region. Now, if I want to make some changes in North Virginia, means I want to launch some virtual servers in North Virginia, go to North Virginia. Whatever I do here, everything will be reflected in North Virginia's data center. So this is how we switch the regions. And here, and this is settings option. Here you can change the console uh, themes like a light theme or dark theme or default theme. This one is here you can see support center. If you want to contact AWS support center, you can contact from here. And this is like notifications. If you have any notifications, you can see from here. This is the console not required. And here you can see all the services. AWS means itself Amazon Web Services. How many services we have in AWS? Like more than 200. If you see here, analytics, all these services, Athena, AWS Clean Rooms, Cloud Search, AWS Data Exchange, all these services comes under analytics. Next, application integration. See, Amazon App Flow, AWS B2B Data Interchange. These all services comes under application integration. And this service comes under blockchain. All these services comes under business applications. Like storage. These services, AWS Backup, EFS, AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery, FSX, S3 Glacier Storage Gateway. These are all storage related services. This is satellite related service. These are all media related services. So these are like Internet of Things related services. All these related to machine learning services. These are developer tool services. So we are not going to learn all services in AWS. Not only in this institute, in any institute or in any project, even you work in top Amazon company also, you are not going to use all 200 plus services. You might be working in any project, a banking project, supermarket project, like whatever the project you work in AWS, hardly you use like 5 to 10 or maximum 10 to 15 services only, maximum that. We are not going to use all 200 services. So you no need to worry about like we have to learn all the 200 services. No, like what all services we are learning that I have mentioned in the course content.
பெரியவங்களும் அப்படிதான் போவாங்க. லாஸ்ட்ல போனாதான் ஒரு கெத்தா மரியாதையா இருக்கும்.
Right. So here in this website, we have mentioned the course content. See, Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud EC2. This is a service. If you look here, search for EC2. This service is related to virtual servers in the cloud. Means if you want to launch virtual machines in AWS cloud, from this service only we can launch. So we are going to learn this service. Again, next. In this service, like many subtopics we'll be covering. Like launching Amazon Linux server, Windows server, like all these subtopics, like whatever we'll be discussing. Just only EC2 service will be discussing around like maybe like 5 days. Around 5 days we'll discuss only this one service. Next, CloudWatch service. It is a monitoring tool. If you want to search for any service, you can see in services, it is difficult to search. But if you type here CloudWatch, You can find the TCLC CloudWatch. This is monitor resources and application. It is a monitoring related service. Monitoring SMS service, EBS service, IAM service, CLI, S3, VPC, EFS, CloudFormation, Route 53, types of services, RDS, Plastic Bean Stack, Lambda, CloudTrail, KMS, ECS. These types of services we are discussing in our course. Okay. Next, coming to billing. So for whatever the infrastructure we are using, for everything, bills will be generated at month end. So that bills, if you want to pay, you can pay. But ideally, I'll suggest not required. Why to waste unnecessarily? Better use this account for 3 to 4 months. Once they suspend it, create one more account. Go to billing and cost management. This is billing page. If you want to see the bills, how much bills are generated, go to bills. But in the month of November, this is today's November 8th, just for last 7 days. Till now, the bill is generated for $0.01 only. $0.01 only. I used 6 services. And next, if I go to payments, and this is previous month bill. So billing period is for October month. You have one payment past due. To avoid suspension of your AWS account, pay the full amount immediately. If you made a payment recently, it will appear in the payments page in 5 to 7 days. So either I need to pay this 230 rupees to avoid suspension, or they'll see for 2 months or 3 months. If I don't pay, they'll suspend. Here, if I click on this, it will download my invoice for the October month. Okay. So this is the due. Here I can see the bills. So particularly for which service the bill is generated, how much. So for this $0.01 also generated for RDS service only. That too in Tokyo region. Any doubts related to billing? No questions?
No.
Mhm. And what else? Next, if you have any, see, and coming to here, billing page. This billing page is a global service. See, for North Virginia separate bill, Ohio separate bill, California separate bill. No. Once you come to billing page, it is like unique across the globe. Like for all the data centers, it is a like common billing page. It's not like separate billing pages for individual regions. Okay. And coming to support team, support center. If you have any questions, any issues, just like in Flipkart, you ordered something, the order should be delivered in 2 days. But it's been 3 days, the order was not delivered. What you'll do? You'll contact Flipkart customer care. They'll ask your order ID. If you tell your order ID, or at least if you tell your registered number, they'll track your details where the order is, like whether it is dispatched or not, when it will be delivered. If something went wrong, they will try to resolve your issue. Similarly, here, if you have any queries or issues, you can contact customer support. Go to this question mark symbol, click on support center. Even support center is also a global service. It's a global thing. Okay, you cannot choose for one particular region. Here, create case means you need to create the ticket for whatever issues you have. Is it account and billing related issues or technical? If you choose technical, no, I cannot contact customer support because we need to upgrade our plan. Right now, my account is choose basic support plan. In basic support, you cannot ask for technical related questions. I can go for account and billing. This is for comes under basic support. For account and billing, like what type of issue you have? Is it an academic program related, account activation related, billing related? You need to choose whatever the issue. Category, like what type of category? Is it billing questions, payment issues, like different update billing details, update payment method? Choose something like severity. And next step, you need to explain here. My question is billing related. Billing, like you need to explain in detail, like in detail, you need to explain your issue. Like whatever issue you have, that issue you need to write here in detail. If you have any attached proofs, like also you can attach the proofs. Help us resolve your, like name of the service, like is it what it is related to billing. The total amount, like I got around 120 rupees. Date of the charge, uh, like I'm giving something randomly. Let's see. Next here, click on contact us. Here you need to choose your preferred language, English only, or preferred language English. The like three ways of contacting to customer support. If you click on web, they will revert back to you within 24 hours. Means they will send you an acknowledgement to your email ID within 24 hours. Means they will revert back to you. They will respond to you to your email ID within 24 hours. If you click on phone, you need to enter your country, wherever you are staying, your phone number. If you are in India, give your India phone number. If you are in US, give US phone number. They will contact to you within half an hour or 1 hour. Then they'll ask you, like one support person only. He's like technically good. They knows very well. They'll ask you what is your issue, like how can they help you, like everything you can discuss with them. No, I'm not good at orally speaking with them in the phone call. So you can go with chat option also. If you go to chat and click on submit, one live conversation will be open. Now one customer, like one agent will come to you with the live session. He will interact with you. An associate will be with you shortly.
Mega boss, mega boss.
Good. So you need to explain what is your query to them. They will try to resolve your issues if you have anything. This associate will be like not normal persons who works for 10,000, 15,000. Like how you feel like in Amazon customer support, Flipkart support, they're not like this. These people are like purely like they know AWS very well. They have different teams also. Say, hello, my name is Mohammed and I'm here to assist you today while I will. See, sometimes the associates will be from different countries also, from Europe, from USA, Australia, England, like from different countries also, they'll come to your wallet. You need to explain your query, so they'll try to resolve. As of now, I don't have any queries. I'll sorry. Let's stay. Like this, you can have the conversation. So any doubts in contacting to customer support? Okay, then. So that's all about AWS account creation. So once you create your AWS account, we can start doing the things. Anyone who joined this session without enrollment, or everyone registered here? Everyone registered? Nobody? join the session without any registration. Like, is this the first class for anyone? Rajiv, you're not audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you have enrolled for the course?
No, sir. Still not. I will do.
Okay, fine. So Hemant, please don't draw anything. I'm deleting every time you're drawing again. Right, that's all. So today's session is about AWS account creation. So this is a free tier account, and we have discussed like different options under AWS account, like billing related. We have discussed like customer support, like how to contact to support team, and like what are the different types of services, how to search for services, and account.
Sorry, I was walking. That's why it is by mistakenly happened. Hemant.
Okay. Different regions in AWS, like how to switch from one region to other region. All these things we have covered under AWS today. If you have any questions, you can ask, else we can wrap up for the day.
Okay. So the next session will be on Monday, or
Yes, Monday. Next session will be on Monday.
okay? Is it continuous or
You mean
like next week also it will be like
continuous?
like we do have in this week, right? In this week we have Monday and Friday only, right? So that's
Continuous.
okay. So today also it will be night session also there, or?
Yes, we have session. Same thing will be covered. Like same whatever I have explained now. Same thing I'll explain evening also. Like it's optional. The people who will register for evening batch, this is for them. Because people who already listen morning, that will be like same thing. Okay.
Yes. And so this, they have asked me they will like 8 right?
Hari Krishna, your voice is not clear.
Hello. In the hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, but not clear. Tell me.
Okay. So actually they're asking to install one software, exe file. What is it?
I don't know what they are asking. Just follow my classes. Whatever I say, follow that.
Oh, okay.
Technically, you follow what I'm saying. So what admin team is asking, I'm not sure. That is maybe non-technical. That is not related to AWS. Maybe that is related to accessing videos, something else.
Oh, okay. I will check with them.
Okay. Any questions in today's session? Any doubts?
Yeah, Arvind, I have
Yes, go ahead. Please ask, you're not audible. Can anyone listen what he's telling?
No worry.
Okay. Because something like I think like I have an issue from my end. I thought that's why. Okay. Okay then. Thank you all. We'll continue on Monday. Like happy weekend. Bye.